A cluster of COVID-19 cases is under investigation at a Hawthorn aged care facility. 4 residents and a staff member have tested positive as the centre locks down. Karianne Greenbank with the latest.
At Hawthorn Grange aged care facility, Sally Hartley drops some chocolates at the door for staff.
I know what a chocolate does at a time like this.
As tensions build around the growing number of COVID-19 cases inside those doors. Every worker and every resident has now been tested, including Sally's 92-year-old mum Brenda.
She's negative. She got hers this morning. So she's negative, yeah. And they'll probably test in another couple of days' time.
Of the 5 confirmed cases, 4 are recent. 1 has since recovered. But with all residents quarantined in their rooms, including infected ones, the threat of further spread has prompted urgent cleaning and contact tracing.
They're places where you absolutely need to crack down on it immediately, and that really means extensive testing, including individuals with no symptoms.
After yesterday's sudden closure of the Yarraville Learning Sanctuary, where the 2 children have since tested negative, and the enforced isolation of 24 staff at Sunshine Hospital. A new scare for the Alfred. An outpatient at the Haematology Oncology Clinic tested positive, resulting in contact tracing for all other patients who'd been nearby, and the testing of staff members. So far, no further cases there. But overnight, there have been another 7 confirmed cases of the virus, bringing our total to 1,361. No new deaths have been reported. The state's death toll remains at 18. There's also been no increase to the 18 people in hospital, including 9 in intensive care. And to date, 1,291 patients have recovered. 115,000 tests have now been carried out right across the state as mass testing ramps up further. Today, Bunnings became one of 10 sites transformed into mobile testing locations. Medical staff kept busy with a constant stream of cars, customers queuing for most of the day. Karianne Greenbank, 9 News.
And Victoria's Deputy Chief Health Officer has sparked outrage by comparing coronavirus to the arrival of Captain Cook. Kari, what she said.
Well, Pete, all this outrage has come out of a tweet by the Deputy Chief Health Officer on the 250th anniversary of Captain Cook's arrival in Australia. This is that tweet by Dr Annalise Van Diemen reading, "Sudden arrival of an invader from another land, decimating populations, creating terror." It continues on and ends by saying COVID-19 or Cook 1770. Now, the response from the opposition has come swiftly, with Victorian MPs calling for her to resign and describing those comments as sensational, divisive, woke and unhelpful. But she is being backed by the Andrews government. The Health Minister coming to her defence just a short time ago, Jenny Makakos tweeting herself saying that the Deputy Chief Health Officer is doing an outstanding job protecting Victorians and describing that criticism as irrelevant to the fight against the virus. Pete?
Karianne Greenbank, thanks, Kari.